Hello guys, welcome to my channel Earn with me. So today I am going to talk about two exchange airdrops guys, which we have never missed it. Okay, so this is same like Trust Wallet or something. So Trust Wallet has its own currency like TWT. So it was around 3 rupees I think so when they have firstly launched their Trust Wallet currency in the market. So it is now around 120 rupees. So they gave around 200 coins of Trust Wallet. So then so many were not aware, so even I was not aware, but now we have a opportunity called, we have two exchange airdrops guys. So what are the exchange airdrops, how can we participate in the event? I will be explaining. So the first one is Vera Wallet airdrop guys. So firstly we need to start the airdrop. After starting the airdrop you need to join Vera Wallet Telegram group. Okay, you need to join the group. Afterwards you need to join the Telegram channel. Okay, you need to join the Telegram channel. Okay, join. After joining you need to go to the Twitter and follow them and retweet the pinned post guys. You need to be following them and retweet the pinned post. Okay, afterwards you need to join the promoter channel. So it's your wish guys. So one coin of Vera Wallet is $40 guys, $40. So as we know that we won't miss any exchange airdrops. So like FlitPay, there are many exchanges right now like CoinH5 store. So we should not miss this guys. Okay, so join this also. Afterwards you need to give the captcha, type the captcha as it is. So how to get Vera Wallet? So firstly you need to download Vera Wallet guys. After downloading Vera Wallet, so how to get Vera Wallet address? You need to copy this what do you say, contract address. Open the wallet. After opening the wallet, you should open Binance Smart Chain. On the top right corner you can see guys, Binance Smart Chain. On BNB there is a plus symbol. You need to click on that plus symbol and you can see my assets. You need to click on the plus symbol and again you have to paste the contract address. If it is not recommending, recommend token you can see in the upper part. So plus symbol. So you need to apply the contract address here and click on the token name. It would be automatically detected. You need to add the token. Okay, we have already added it, but for the purpose of showing you, I have added it. After adding this, you need to click on receive and you need to copy the collection address and you need to give it in the bot. So after giving it in the bot, we need to give our Twitter profile link and you need to retweet the pinned post. After completing this Vera Wallet airdrop guys, there is another airdrop called Evoke airdrop guys. So Evoke is nothing but it is the same airdrop, but this is a round 2 airdrop guys. So there will be 1,000 winners. So the airdrop is like you need to do the different tasks like joining the Telegram group channel, partners channel and Twitter. So you need to firstly join the Telegram group. So we have joined it earlier. So you have to join the Telegram channel too and give our Telegram username. So follow our Twitter page. So you need to follow their Twitter. So we have already followed their Twitter. So get back to the work. So now download Evoke Wallet. After downloading Evoke Wallet, how to give the address? So you need to open Evoke Wallet. So it is same like we have to back up our phrase, everything like that, and you need to click on deposit. You have an address here. You need to copy this address and give it in the bot. Okay, after giving it in the bot, you need to join the Telegram advertiser channel and their group. Okay, and retweet the pinned post of the promoter. So we can withdraw this amount on August 20 guys. So these are the two big airdrops. It can give profit from 100 to $1,000. So if you just concentrate, referring 2 or 3 people is not a big matter guys. If you want, you can refer in, you can go out to any group and you need to keep the link in your bio. Okay, you need to message in group that there is a $40 loot link in my bio. That's it, guys. Do not miss any airdrop, guys. I am trying hard to give you legit airdrops. Do not waste your time. Just participate with multiple accounts, guys. I participate with 3 or 4 accounts, guys. Maximum I will participate with 3 accounts. If it is very important, I would be participating with 4 accounts, guys. I have 4 accounts. So as much as I can, I would be showing you my support, guys. Please show me support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not skip, guys. Thank you.